Hey guys, what's going on? So right now I'm here in Pokhara, Nepal, and we're going to be trying some Nepalese snacks. Now keep in mind, some may be sold in other countries. They might not be like a Nepalese brand, but these are some common snacks I've found throughout Nepal. So let's get straight into it. So up first, we got these bad boys. These are the Quicks cheese balls, not fried. Tradition of great taste for 3 decades. So you see these particular chips like everywhere. So it's like need to let some air out of this. I think we're gonna go with the rip action. That's the one. Alright. So they look like cheese balls. Texture, basically the same as cheese balls. They taste like a worse version of cheezels or cheese balls. The vegetarian. CG Foods Nepal. These aren't that good. They're like a crap version of cheezels. So what we got here is a sweet option. We got the Barley Moonfields Vanilla Italian Bakery. This is also like full of air. Here we have it. So it's a croissant. Oh. That is pretty good. It's filled with vanilla, like a paste. Slightly moist. Oh. That is nice. Nice, pleasant, creamy. There's a bunch of different flavors of these. So we've got another packet of chips here. The chips look like a popular snack here at the convenience stores in Nepal. So this is the kura, puffcorn, yummy cheese. These look like Twisties. I think Twisties is Australian, so for all you international peeps, you may need to look up what Twisties are. So little like shapes like this. It's a bit softer than a Twistie. More like a cheesel type texture, but the flavor's quite different. It's got some spice. Yeah, it's got like a corny, cheesy, yeah, because on the packet there, I don't know if you can see that, but it's chili, and then you can taste the chilliness, like a little hit to it. Bit peppery. Not bad. So these are like snacks that I found at a festival down near Lakeside. So this looks like dried fruit. I can't read it. So this does look like it's authentic to Nepal. Everest Power Butter. Let's just bust it open. So they're like slivers of dried fruit, I'm guessing. Let's get this out of here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ooh. I'm dropping it in. Caught it. Reminds me of my childhood. Like those dried fruit sticks, fruit straps. Soft, chewy texture. It's kind of like a mixed fruit, I'm guessing this one. I can't taste the distinct fruit, so I'm guessing it's kind of a mixed one, but that's kind of nice. Nostalgic feels there. Okay, so what we have here is another one of those like fruit snacks. I was talking to the guy and he said it's like chili. So I think it's kind of like a dried fruit, but like with a chili seasoning type thing. I'm not sure, it's gonna be interesting. Not sure what I'm smelling. Oh, so it's like sticky. It's like crystallized. Get some focus action on this. Alrighty, let's bite into this. Oh, has the seed. Spicy. So there's a big seed here, and it's kind of spicy and sweet at the same time. I'm not sure what type of like fruit this is or a nut, but there's not much of like the actual meat or fruit. Like the majority of it is the nut, but that's like a spicy flavor. I don't know how I feel about these. Oh, it's quite a kick. Let's get another one. Yeah, you have to be careful you don't just bite straight into it because it's mainly just a hard seed. I could see how you like them. If you don't like spicy, you're not gonna like these. So what we got here are some spicy snacks. Mixture of split chickpeas, peanuts, sun-dried potato chips. So I'm pretty sure this is a Nepal brand. Ooh, so let's take a look inside there. So they're very small little bits. They're not like actual nuts. Well, there are some nuts, but ooh. So this is supposed to be spicy, but my mouth's still kind of burning from that last item, but I am getting some taste, kind of like a citrusy taste as well, like spice and then like a lime type flavor. Good crunch, good texture. Yeah, that's a nice little snack. I'm liking the slightly different textures of the mix of nuts there, but yeah, it's got some spice and it's got some citrus to it. So we've got another sweet item here. This is the ding dong cake. So what flavor is this? Chocolate. Contains egg. Ding dong cake. So we've busted open our ding dong cake. It's cut up in little pieces. It's soft. It reminds me of like a cake bar that you can buy at Woolies in Australia. It's like a cake bread, cake bar, muffin bar. Probably know what I mean, but nothing too special. So we've got another one of these like dried fruit type snacks here. Bishu porn. It actually kind of looks like beef jerky. Take a look at that. So let's dig in. What the? Oh my god. Oh, that is like, it was like spicy. Look, what was that? Ah, my god, I need some of this cake bar to get some of this cake bar to take the taste away. Oh my god. Oh. It's kind of like the texture of a dried fruit, but it has some spiciness. It was just, that wasn't on. That was not good. I'm not fussy, but I don't know what that was. So what we have here are these kura chili chatka. Oh, as soon as you open it, you can smell the flavor. Oh, so these are like twisty type shapes. So it's the texture of basically like a twisty, and it's got a spiciness chili. It looks like corn, and I'm also getting like a citrusy taste as well, like lime. Kind of like the same flavoring as that other item I had before. Those nuts, but these aren't too bad. So I picked these up at the boat docking area of the temple at Lakeside. You might know what I mean if you're local, but anyway. So these are some like mixed chocolates. I don't know if they're all different flavors, I'm guessing they are. So I might just try a few. I'll cut together my reactions quickly because there's a bunch of different ones. Ooh, so this is a toffee flavour. Not bad. It's like your typical toffee. Don't know if you can see that, but it has an almond on it. I've seen packages just with this particular almond chocolate. So maybe this is a popular one. It looks like that last toffee one. Yeah, you can taste an almondiness, if that's a word. Little chewy, a little hard. This here says toffee as well. This one's in a green wrapper. And it's a white colour. I like the texture on this one. It's like soft to bite. It's like solid, but it's like soft. I can't describe the flavour. I don't mind that one. That one's quite good. So here we got a milk chocolate hazelnut. Same type of shape, colour as well. Doesn't really taste chocolatey. It tastes slightly hazelnutty, but it's like, it's not actual chocolate, so I don't know what it is. So I'm excited on this one. I think these are dates, ingredients. Kura, sugar, coconut, peanuts, glucose. Ooh. So they were stuck together, but broke off easy enough, so I'm not too sure what it is. They're hard and sticky. I'm not sure how you're supposed to eat it, if you just like suck on it, bite it down, but I'm chewing onto it now. It's kind of like a hard toffee. I'm gonna research what kura is and I'll be back. So it's been about a minute and I'm still chewing on it. Just researching what kura is. K-H-U-W-A. Condensed milk used to make sweets like peta. So it's been about 5 minutes and I'm still chewing down on it. I'm not the biggest fan of them. It's like a really hard toffee. And it's not like too sweet. And it was hard to find too much information about what it was. I'm keen to try this. This is cheese. So it's a cheese from like the mountain Himalayan goats. So it's in little cubes. Oh, it's really hard. It's like got no give to it. What the fuck? You can't really hear that, but it's like plastic. Are they sure this is edible? Huh? Is this like out of date, or if you're Nepalese, it's supposed to be like rock solid? Am I doing something wrong? Maybe I'm supposed to peel off something, or I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it was just a bad piece. I can't even eat this. It's not even consumable. What's going on here? Like, this is rock solid as well. I physically can't consume this. Are you supposed to like suck on it for like minutes and it dissolves? What? Is it supposed to be like this? I physically can't eat this. So in saying that, the visual rating has to be a 0. There's no taste to even when I'm biting down. It's like I'm eating a Lego block. I do not know what's going on with this cheese. If you know what's up with this cheese, comment down below. I don't know what's going on. Can't eat it. So we got a chocolate bar. This is a Nestle bar one, more caramel. I don't know if they sell these everywhere. I definitely haven't seen them in Australia. Hopefully this is actually edible. It's caramelly, soft, gooey. It's a bit like a Mars bar sort of, but the caramel isn't as liquidy. So this is pretty good. Up next we have this big ass bag. They are flavored onion rings. You see these in basically every convenience store here in Nepal. I haven't seen like onion rings as a snack food like this in any other country really. This is what they all look like. Ooh, they smell kind of salty. They're crunchy, sort of airy. Not much flavor, it's just like a slight salty flavor. They're like an oniony actual flavor. Salty, oniony flavor. I think these are better just for the texture. Just like something to crunch on, like there's not a whole lot of flavor to them. They're not that good, they're not like addicting. I don't know why you'd really want to eat these. So I'm excited on this. So I found this tub. I was at the near the docking station of the boat, lakeside, where they were having a festival and they were selling these. I think someone said it was like a nut. I don't know what it is. It looks good. Take a look at that. Alrighty. I don't know, I'm just gonna dig into this. So as you can see, it takes a bit of effort, so it's quite solid, quite thick. It's kind of like a honeycomb or like a cookie dough. I do not know. So we've got those toppings on top. Ooh, it reminds me of something. I don't know, but it's kind of slightly sweet, kind of like a nutty, like, oh, it's hard to describe, like a nutty sort of honey, like, it's kind of like honeycomb, but nutty. Oh, it's like, yeah, it's hard to describe, but this is 500 grams. It's all real cheap, this stuff. Yeah, it's like honey, nutty, like a thick texture. The guy said it was good for you. I'm not sure, this stuff is kind of addicting. That's pretty damn good. And that is a wrap for this Nepal snacks video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And I've got plenty more of these snack videos in other countries around Asia and the world. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, support me, and I'll see you in the next video.